to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. This is the first video in 2024 that I'm shooting, so I'm extremely excited, and it's even more exciting because मेरे साथ मेरे college friends हैं and we are going to be telling you all about our college experience. हम सबका 5th year complete हो चुका है. We are architecture graduates now, so we can tell you all a lot of insights and a lot of things that a lot of you all have asked me. Even previously I had put a post on Instagram ki if you have some questions, so let us know. So we're going to be answering a few questions. First of all, let me introduce you all to my friends. These are the people I have studied with for the past 5 years.
Hi guys, my name is Sonal and it's nice to meet you all.
Hi guys, my name is Ruchita and you have seen me before also on this channel. So nice to meet you all again.
Hi, I'm Akshata and nice to meet you all.
I said 5 years of architecture is a huge and a long time to do anything, and it's a huge decision to also start. So maybe you all could start off with why you all chose architecture, because a lot of people ask me in their questions, is 5 years architecture worth it or something like that? Why did you all think of joining? What would you like now think about it 5 years later?
I think my interest in architecture came from I like interiors, like interior environments, interior spaces, and the second and most important is I like history. So I'm a huge, I was a history kid and I like historical monuments, heritage structures even now. So that was what inculcated or what attracted towards me to architecture when technology was not so developed, but still our Indian architecture was way ahead its years. So that is what attracted me to architecture primarily.
Although a lot of people are always scared of architecture history because it is a very tough subject to study. You have to draw, you have to sketch, but
you have to document.
Yes, but you've
as
always
how
been
the structures
interested in it.
Was. But I think the space, like heritage, they tell a story of the time, of the people, of their culture, everything. So it's not just our past, but it's our culture. It's everything. So I think it plays a very primary or very important role into what we are today. So I think architecture shapes people. So that is why primarily.
What do you both think? Like thinking back, what was an inspiration to join architecture? And 5 years later, do you think it was worth it?
Actually, my father is a civil engineer. So when in childhood, I used to see him drawing or like doing the drawings in the sheet, and when I used to ask him that what is it, he used to say that architect designs it, and then we civils engineer has to do like take the work further, like structural engineering and all. They have to do column placement, main thing of civil engineers. We hear about it. So yeah, I had I want to know about it more. Like who gives you these designs? I want to be one. And after seeing my elder sister doing computer engineering and that all coding things, I never understood it. And then I decided I will be taking architecture as my.
I didn't want to do engineering, so
Yeah, I went into architecture.
Like हमारी जब growth होती है, like after 8th and 8th standard, 9th standard, drawing is that subject that we give less importance to it. And yeah, मेरा तो drawing बंद ही हो गया था after 8th and 9th standard. And then when I went, like I was in 12th standard, there was someone said that there is a rule that if you want to have
you want to get into college, you have to do elementary.
Do elementary and intermediate, and I was very concerned I will not get admission in architecture.
Was it really a rule back then?
No, not at all, not at all.
It was just a rumor कि लोग वो exam के लिए apply करें.
Correct. And I did apply and I gave the exam, and then I realized, and then I got to know about like from someone that it is not important at all. And then I regretted that I have wasted my time in doing drawing in 12th standard.
Yes.
But
I really think कि जब स्कूल में जब 11th to 12th जो भी होता है, तब हमें ये सब सब्जेक्ट्स चूज़ करने के लिए होते हैं कि इंजीनियरिंग में जाने के लिए तुम्हें साइंस वो सब, तो एक ऐसा भी सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए जो आर्किटेक्चर रिलेटेड हमें कुछ थोड़ा सा नॉलेज दे, जिससे हमें पता चले कि ताकि स्टूडेंट्स को पता चले कि उनको कौन से इसमें जाना है कि नहीं, क्योंकि हमें बस एक्सपीरियंस यही होता है कि इंजीनियरिंग का है, साइंस का है, जो हम पहले से नॉलेज होता है, बट आर्किटेक्चर का किसी को कुछ नॉलेज ही नहीं होता, लोग सब चले जाते हैं वहाँ पे, फिर इट्स अ रियली वेरी न्यू सब्जेक्ट फॉर.
जैसे अक्षता ने अभी रिसेंटली इस पे पहले बोला था कि बिफोर जॉइनिंग आर्किटेक्चर know a little about the field.
Exactly.
Not everything.
Yeah, but you must have a conversation with some of your friend who is pursuing architecture. So then you will get idea about the subjects. Like someone hates physics, and then you in first year you get to know that you have to do TOS in which physics and maths is applied, and you can't say that you will get freedom from maths or something like that, or you will be just doing drawings and you will be just designing. It's nothing like that. Even maths works everywhere. When you even design, you have to work with loads, you have to do the calculations, and even though your design is good, and at last the question comes that how it will be implemented in real life, how it will be get executed in real life, and then comes the civil engineer wala part, or you can say the physics wala part. You must have even though civil engineers will handle those things about the construction and all thing, but you have to know the knowledge about it, because if you will not have that knowledge, then how you will be able to design it.
Very
Exactly,
important.
yeah.
An insight into the field. And maybe one of the reasons why I also started the channel was so that if I could help someone in knowing a little about the field, just could see. I know आप पहले से कुछ नहीं जान सकते, like पूरा
You
नहीं
can't
जान
know
सकते.
everything.
But just a little bit, so you know what you're preparing yourself for, and then if something happens ahead, you know, fine, I knew it was going to happen, but what intensity of it, whatever, that you will only get to know once you choose to be in that field. Now comes ki first year mein you have like started college and everything, and it's a different experience. And I think previous video mein मैंने और रुचिता ने भी बात करी है कि how different is architecture from everything. And also a lot of questions that people generally ask is that yes, architecture college is different from how we have studied before, पर उसमें internships and ये सब भी एक बहुत ही अलग experience होता है. And we go for an internship in fourth period बोल रही थी, fourth year. So like how was your experience कि initial years में how did you adjust, and how did you eventually find an internship where you could work for a certain time?
First year, it was a bit hectic, stressful. Hectic because I couldn't very well, I was not able to manage time because the traveling time and the submissions
Oh
and
my
the
God.
deadlines and the redos.
Oh, redos.
The amount of redos sheet I have done in my first year, I have another set of sheets that are all redos.
Bro, फर्स्ट ईयर वाला वो लेक्चर तो बहुत ज्यादा ट्रॉमेटिक था.
Oh, graphics.
मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है
it
नाम.
used to be very scary for me.
Because
Because
था वो
मुझे
बी से स्टार्ट होने वाला लेक्चर.
Basic
BD.
design.
My
It's
God.
just that कि बहुत डर लगता था. ऐसा लगता था कि मैं शीट बनाऊंगी, गलत हो जाएगी, and I'll have to do it again. जो कि करना ही पड़ा. But it was a learning experience कि अगर एक बार कुछ गलत हुआ, you can always do it again.
Yeah.
Like ये नहीं है कि एक, and I think स्कूल में ऐसा हमें एकदम कंडीशन कर दिया जाता है कि एक बार गलत हो गया तो फेलियर हो गए, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते टाइप. इनिशियली मुझे इसलिए डर लगता था कि मतलब मैं शीट बनाऊँ और वो बोले खराब है, अब मुझे वापस करनी पड़ी. आज जब मैं वो शीट देखती हूँ वो खराब है, बट उस टाइम पे मुझे तो लगता था कि वो मतलब दुनिया की सबसे सुंदर शीट है.
And now it's दुनिया की worst.
दुनिया की वो शीट मतलब मैं फेंक दूँ रद्दी में, मैं लिटरली अपनी शीट्स रद्दी में फेंकी है. एंड इतनी गंदी शीट्स थी वो जिसमें रीडो मिला था, बट आई एम ग्लैड मैंने शीट्स वापस बनाई.
At least you got redos, that's why you got money after that. You were given it that
इतना
to
नहीं
Radhi.
मिला, शीट्स बहुत पतला था, मुझे नहीं मिला था. आई थॉट आई गेट रिच आफ्टर सेलिंग ऑल शीट्स.
मैंने अभी तक निकाला नहीं है कुछ भी कचरा.
मैंने भी सब नहीं निकाला
निकालना.
बिकॉज यू नो थोड़ा मेमोरीज
Memories भी रहना चाहिए.
मैंने इतना मेहनत से किया, मुझे लगा 2-3 साल तो मैं रखती हूँ. मतलब
शीट्स और मॉडल्स, रात भर की मेहनत हमारी मॉडल्स के
नहीं,
ऊपर.
मॉडल्स तो मैंने एक भी नहीं फेंके क्योंकि
Same.
When we are up until 12th standard, we have to go through our textbooks, mug up, and you know, just study what is there. When you get into architecture, there is no specific textbook.
yeah,
There is no reference material. You have to browse through the libraries. Our college had great library. How am I supposed to do well in my exams? How am I supposed to, you know, tackle my submissions? Go, you know, make up for the deadlines, because professors are telling ये deadline है, ये submission है, तुम्हें submit करना है, मतलब करना है. B ward में तुम बीमार हो, whatever, you have to do it.
yes,
And वो pressure है. But then sometimes things go wrong because you're not able to handle it. Because अब घर में it's like, you know, you used to score well in unit tests and exams. Now sometimes it happens that you're not scoring well.
yes.
But then I'm giving it my all. I'm going through sleepless nights. I'm traveling so much and all of that. You know, where am I, you know, lagging, or why am I not able to score so much? So I think that is one scenario, that pressure you handle in your first year, that कैसे handle करना है, कैसे करना है.
Because actually architecture में there's nothing like 90% 80%. कुछ colleges दे देते हैं, maybe उनका वही grading system होता है, but जिस college से हम आए हैं it was a very strict grading system, and हमारे college में कोई भी ऐसा excellent एकदम ऊपर top 100% किसी के नहीं आते थे, because architecture में there's nothing as right. जो मुझे right लगता है शायद उन सबको right ना लगे, and that's why it is very subjective. हमारे नंबर हमेशा बहुत mid range होते थे, और वो mid range भी reach करने के लिए हमें पता है हमें कितनी नाइट मारनी पड़ती थी,
बहुत
स्ट्रगल होता था.
Yeah, like if you're doing hard work, then you will get good grades. Then you will get dark circles. If you're doing hard work and you're getting bad grades, then too
Also,
you are getting dark circles.
because either you are like just so sad, you will cry, or you will do something else and you will get dark circles.
There's one constant thing we have gained in those 5 years, that is health issues.
Health issues. One thing architecture gave me was health issues.
Health issues.
My back issue, my dark circles, my eyesight.
Yeah, like from like age of 18 or 17 we like divided
Yeah.
like then 17, after 17 then we went for 18 year, like we were like 18 years, then directly we went to 40 years 42 years.
Physically.
Yeah, physically. And mentally we are, I guess, still
17, 12. Oh, very, very specific. We
Yeah.
are 12.
Artistic 12-year-old
Artistic
man.
12. I think that brings us to another point, which is कि when like I think time कैसे बीतता है first to fourth year आपको पता ही नहीं चलता. आपके initial years इसमें लग जाते हैं कि how do I get comfortable in this foreign environment, और जब आप थर्ड ईयर तक कंफर्टेबल होते हो तो फोर्थ ईयर में इंटर्नशिप आ जाती है. एंड मतलब पता नहीं मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा रहा है कि विद कॉलेज आई वाज नेवर एबल टू वर्क लाइक फुल टाइम इन ऑफिस में, कभी जाके काम नहीं कर पाई, विच इज़ समथिंग मेरे सीनियर्स या किसी ने हमेशा बोला कि हमेशा गो एंड वर्क, ट्राई एंड सी, पर मुझसे नहीं होता था. गर्मियों में 20 दिन की छुट्टी मिलती थी एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक आई वांट टू स्लीप.
उसमें भी कभी-कभार हमारे स्टडी टूर्स आते थे.
स्टडी टूर्स आते थे. चलो वी वर अ पैंडेमिक बैच तो थोड़ा सा कम था.
स्टडी टूर भी पूरा एंजॉय करने नहीं मिलता था. उसमें भी पढ़ाई
Yes,
करो.
engineering have study tours where they have fun. We have study
study tours where we study.
Those are not study tours, they're only tours. They're just tours.
They have
They
IVs.
have.
Wow.
Yeah, industrial visits.
Industrial visits.
Okay, fine. I've heard commerce में होता है because I have friends in commerce, but then I had no idea about engineering.
It's fun.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
fun.
You must know yours.
Yeah, all my friends have done commerce and I'm here doing architecture.
Good decision.
Done
Yeah,
and
very
dusted.
You're a professional, but you're
Yes.
done with architecture.
Yes.
You're not a professional.
Yeah.
Acknowledge.
I'm very happy with it.
Yeah, I'm very happy with my degree.
And then there's TOS.
Hmm.
You know, all of these subjects.
And then there's TOS.
Yes, then there's
Then
TOS.
there's TOS.
The subject physics you wanted to avoid after your 12.
Every other person would generally ask me, physics है तो नहीं होगा, maths है तो नहीं होगा.
4 साल करना है.
4 साल करना है. And I don't know बाकी boards में शायद 5 years हो, but मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी में 4 साल होता है. और मैं तो बहुत ही खराब हूँ मैथ्स में, तो मैंने कर लिया तो कोई भी कर सकता है.
I
मैं सबको
used
यही
to
बोलती हूँ.
sleep like
टॉस में you was the only person who would make notes.
yeah, but I
और
should
सब
sleep.
तेरे से ही
सब
copy
इसके
करते थे
notes
हम
छाप
लोग.
देते.
Should normalize helping in architecture, like yeah, normalize
Actually,
helping in
that's a good point.
yeah, because like I was in some situation where I was not able to cope up with this course, like I was like
Academics.
yeah. Then there was one friend, she's very nice to me. She helped me a lot, not not for this software thing and all, yeah, but she like told me some things that we should really she told us like normalize helping in architecture.
I honestly think that it gets very competitive because what
Yeah.
happens is people are like मैंने किया है ये नहीं कर रही. ठीक है, for a minute there are few things that I believe you should keep it private.
Yeah.
तुम अपना डिज़ाइन के बारे में हर चीज़ मत डिस्कस करो या समथिंग, बट डोंट कीप अ वेरी इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक अप्रोच
Yeah.
कि अगर मैं हर रोज किसी के साथ रह रही हूँ, मैं उसको बोलूँगी भी नहीं कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. शायद वो मुझे कोई ऐसा पॉइंट बता दे जो मैंने
जो
कभी
हमारे
देखा
design
ही
में-
ना हो.
Exactly.
There
That
has
is
been
obvious.
cases, if you all remember, कि people have probably done full joke आते हो.
Yeah,
एक
like
sheet से
directly
उधर.
copying that
Yeah.
element and placing and like zabardasti placing in your design, and then the other person would be in
Oh my
like
God,
कि
कि मैं
what should I
करूँ
do
क्या?
now, because he had shown his or her
Exactly.
design to
Hmm.
faculty and it's done.
And then the faculty would not believe that
That-
person only.
that
Yes.
the person who have done that thing has copied or not, no one knows.
That's
But I still feel that, because we all are going through the same thing, same mental pressure, same stress. So I think that conversation, coming together and, discussing designs or giving each other ideas, like how can you work on your facade, what kind of materials, okay, this is the material, or maybe we just are in our own individual time and then we are working on our own self, like, upgrading our knowledge. So maybe if you find something, you could just share it with your friends, because then their knowledge is also, helpful.
Exactly.
It's updated and you just stay up to date, because if then I start, then she'll share me something, the other person, and then everyone will grow.
Exactly.
The mindset should be growth. Like, I want to do better.
So that comes to another topic, which is internships. And me and Ruchita have already spoke about our internship experience. I want you all also to tell me, what do you all think about your internship and how did you approach it? Because I'm sure there are a lot of first yearites or just people who are starting to think about architecture, and the first job that they probably might have must be a 1 month, 2 month, 3 month internship. So what do you think about it? How did you approach it in your
First inclination was somehow towards more interior from the initial years of my architecture. So I wanted to give it a shot. So I went for a firm where they practice architecture and interior both extensively. So I could do, hands-on work. And the place where I went for internship, it was very good. They made me deal with the clients as well, material selections and all the stuff that goes into interior on-site work, how the civil workers are working, how the electrician wiring, through the flooring, through the ceiling and everything, in and out of it. So that was a good experience, because when you're doing sheets or when you're, it is a bit of, work that is still on paper. The execution part, the problems, on-site problems, how are you supposed to handle the pressure, and then the client meetings where, we are designing for the client. Like, you take some ideas, they have their own ideas, and then you sit through them, discuss it, and then you try to make them understand, because they take a Pinterest image or any image and they just want the exact replica. Now you can't give them an exact replica, right?
Exactly.
Because the wall is different, the space is different. I think that is the client and talk has helped me, how to present yourself in that aspect, that okay, this person can do it, like I trust them. So I think that is one positive aspect as well. And of course the field knowledge, which it was a bit, I had to certain point, but afterwards, while internship, the horizon has widened extensively. So yeah.
How was your experience, Akshita?
Okay, so I wanted a firm in which I would get every kind of experience, like client, whatever
Yes.
she told about it, like material selection, clients meeting and all. And other thing is that like when we do internship after this
4 years of work.
yeah, then we get to know that for every project many people are working on it.
Exactly.
Not only architect, it's not only architect's responsibility, though he's the main person, but every other person is included in it. Even though if they are constructing a building, the process, the licensing, everything includes, in you going and having the sanction stamp of municipal corporation and all.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
nobody talks about it.
Yeah.
You guys might be aware that 5th year is the thesis period, and thesis in architecture is another ball game altogether. It's all about you doing a full to project with full thesis book, thesis models, thesis sheets, and whatnot. It's a huge and it's a big task to do. Something that maybe a separate video could help you all to get an insight. But for now, let's just know about what was your experience. If I could start, just in short, my thesis was based on handloom research and promotion in Lucknow. I wanted to do handloom. I don't know why I wanted to do it, but I was like, fine. So I wanted to do something in culture, something I thought it was easier to do, and I didn't want to overcomplicate my project with taking some transport or something related to, I don't know, probably.
Those are very vast projects, to be honest.
Yeah, and high rise का मैंने इतना ढंग से सोचा नहीं था. If I could get a chance again, I might have done high rise. But anyways,
You did well.
I tried my best. I think Sonal has seen, because we
You
both
did
would like-
very well.
because we all did well. Come on, guys.
I would have want her to change the topic, whatever she
Because
says.
I remember me and Sonal would stay up all night.
Yes.
एक साथ एक गद्दे पे सो
And
के
then there
करते थे.
used to be a third wheeling, her call,
Her
late
call,
night, 2
full
a.m.
night.
I
2
was not third wheeling.
You were
I was third wheeling. I was that one third wheeling.
full night call pe we all used to do, and that was a project that I did. And maybe the one thing I realized is कि just in general thesis से पहले have an idea कि which kind of a topic you want to do. ग्रीनरी या लैंडस्केप से रिलेटेड करना है तो उसमें बहुत एग्रो बेस्ड टॉपिक्स होते हैं. कल्चरल बेस करना है तो म्यूजियम्स आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू डिज़ाइन. अगर आपको हाई राइज करना है तो कहीं आप कोई IT पार्क प्रपोज कर सकते हैं या कोई स्काई स्क्रेपर जो शायद वहाँ की रिक्वायरमेंट हो. या अगर कोई एक बहुत ही नीश टॉपिक करना है तो यू हैव टू फाइंड अ नीश टॉपिक, which I think Ruchita could tell you. So how was your experience?
So basically my topic was US Embassy. Luckily वो टाइम पे जब मैं प्रोजेक्ट सर्च कर रही थी तब वो प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा था. That was an ongoing live project. So I thought कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए. मतलब मुझे पसंद है ऐसे कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक लेना जो किसी ने किया ना हो. Like personally मेरे कॉलेज में किसी ने भी ये टॉपिक नहीं लिया था. So it was quite challenging for me for the case studies and then for the research part, because embassy ऐसा एक foreign mission वाला type of building है जिसका information available नहीं होता है. So basically for case studies I mass emailed so many of them. Like I don't know, like it's I emailed around hundreds embassy from New Delhi. Then I got like I got replied by 2 to 3 embassies only. Yeah. So
It's just like job application, nobody is applying.
Yeah.
So उसमें से like एक नेपाल embassy था and one was Italy embassy. So वहाँ पे जाके I did my case studies. Also I could not upload those images online because it were confidential. So फिर हाँ मतलब बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट था. और मुझे लाइक आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ कि मैंने वो टॉपिक लेके खुद से रिसर्च करके एक पूरा ब्लैक बुक बनाया जो किसी ने कभी टॉपिक लिया ना हो. तो yeah, it was
I remember
quite
it was a
interesting.
very niche topip and I asked one of my friends from his
Yeah.
if he has an embassy topic, and it was very hard as I had seen her struggle.
My topic was Entrepreneurship Development Institute. So I decided myself that I should not go in intricate part. So yeah, less maintenance and all that things. And I don't want to
Overcomplicate
Yeah.
the project because it was a lot of task. Thesis करना ही इतना बड़ा task है. अगर आपकी research एक task हो जाती है तो then it delays
Yeah.
your work of designing and then making the sheets. And a lot of redos happen. Like
Yeah.
I remember 4 साल तक आपको लगता है कि you are used to redos, but then
Yeah.
5th year में आके जब redos लगते हैं and they are not redos like sheet
Small
वापस बनाओ.
redos, yeah. You
It's
have
like
to
पूरा design
वापस
Yes.
बनाओ.
not only one plan you have to do redo for it. You have to do every plan. Every plan changes. If your ground floor plans changes, then your first floor, then your second floor,
Then your column
Everything
changes.
Everything changes.
अगर एक वॉल भी चेंज हुआ ना, एक कॉलम भी चेंज हुआ, सब चेंज हो जाता
I
है.
remember services की हम sheets बनाते थे and अगर architectural change हो जाता था तो फिर services की
Services भी
sheets गलत
change
होती थी. उसको भी बैठ के फिर उसमें एक wall बदल गई तो वैसा होता था shit अब इसको ठीक करना है. उसमें we used to go full backtrack.
Yeah.
मैंने इसलिए एक point के बाद रिव्यूज लेने ही छोड़ दिए थे. मैंने अपना प्लान खुद ही फ्रीज कर दिया था. तब
Even
कुछ
though
नहीं
you complete your BS sheet, no, then you still have like a doubt कि या ये यहाँ आना चाहिए. Is it right? Even though that you have doubt. So at last it's your stand. It's your explanation. It's your explanation about your design and
It's
your
almost
skill.
like convincing a client
Yeah.
कि ये space की जरूरत है and
मोस्ट ऑफ द चीजें अपन ने फिगर आउट करके ही करी है.
yes.
अपन को किसी ने बताई नहीं है, बट फिगर आउट करके करी है.
I think that is what is design school. But I think Sonal's project was extremely interesting because your project was something जो लोग लेते हैं but पूरे 60-70 बच्चों में कोई एक लेता है.
हाँ.
I had only 2 black book references in the whole black book library of our college. Only 2 people in past of our whole, they had taken in past 15 years. There are only 2 black books for my reference. And when I took the topic, it was because I found it intriguing. The topic was Fishing Harbour proposal at Mirkarwada. So it was not just the facility that would be provided to the workers there, but also the interconnection of the workers and the people who will come to visit there. The primary problem was the smell of the fish. And uske bhi pehle, in my research part, I had to do case studies. Because only when you do a case study do you know what you should be doing, what is the right way.
And not just a case study, it's a physical case
Yes,
study.
a physical case studies. Like we had live case studies and then we had online case studies. In my part, there is no actual as such structure. Like in out of India, abroad there are structures of fishing harbors built near the sea coast and stuff. But in India, there is no as such a proper yet. It is to be built. There are proposals, but that is where my problem lied was, how am I supposed to design? So my much inferences came from the online case studies that I studied, and their spaces, their circulation, because it's not just a normal, it's not a space where people come for a little time. Extensive work, like 18 hours that building is going to be used. Just one, diversion or something and it could go wrong. It's not functional. It's not functioning because main aspect is your building needs to be functional.
कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है एंड में आपको पता होता है कुछ चीजें गड़बड़ है एंड यू डोंट
हम रिसर्च करते हैं, राइट?
एंड टाइम नहीं मिलता है एंड यू डोंट चेंज इट बिकॉज फॉर वॉट एवर रीजन तुम्हारे पास 2 दिन है और या तो तुम शीट्स बनाओगे या तो तुम अपना डिज़ाइन चेंज करोगे. सो यू इवेंचुअली डिसाइड टू मेक शीट्स एंड देन फिर कभी कभार जूरी में वो ही बात आगे चली जाती है. Yeah, you just have to like not talk about it,
not focus to
avoid talking about
not
it.
get to know कि
बट
no
तो भी
problem.
जूरर वहाँ चला ही
पर
जाता
जूरर
है.
वहाँ जाएगा because वो उसका काम है. They are there to point out mistakes.
And
because
then we find some funny excuses for that space.
when I was told of like there was something that my juror did not like and they would continuously speak about it and I had no answer. I was just like this.
No answer is a better answer than giving a wrong answer.
No, I was just like sir
Or
but मैं
rather-
क्या करूँ? And then he was like मैं क्या करूँ मतलब क्या
It
है?
happens sometimes that juror says that that place is very wrong, very bad, and you in your mind you were like, yes, I know it.
But what do I do? Like,
yeah,
I can't do anything.
in your mind like, yeah, I know it, and in honest was like, sir, you have to do this. No,
Sir,
yeah,
I didn't know it was wrong.
yeah.
Oh.
So even simultaneously you get good in acting also after doing architecture. So
Yeah, architects can be actors.
Yeah.
And you learn, ऐसा हो सकता है क्या?
हाँ.
आज assignment submission था?
oh,
I had no idea. I think thesis was a very important part, and I think most of the things that we learned was during thesis, because when you were doing all the levels of design on your own and the level of intricacy sometimes some jurors or some professors would want, it would push us to work more, sleep less, and just like live a very unhealthy lifestyle, but make it happen, which is eventually the most important thing. End this video, I wanted to ask one last question that almost everybody does ask me, other than asking कि हम कौन से college से हैं. They ask about
It's a secret.
It's a secret. Is it 5 years of architecture really worth it that you look down the line? And in general, I know we talked about it before कि people should know a little about the field, but just ending 5 years, it's all done. If and there's another thing which comes with it is 5 years, is it worth it? And what if you do want to become an architect after that? Because not everybody is going to be an architect. And what are your plans for the future? I know it is like, I know a lot of our viewers do watch ki we are studying as an architect, but they always now come and ask ki what you are doing ahead, what's your plan ahead. Honestly, I don't really have an idea. But what do you guys have thought about it? First of all, how do you look back to it? What are your plans ahead? And what if somebody wants to switch or diversify their work?
I think after architecture, primarily I'm very glad it's done. The second part, I think it's a very important part of journey of growing up. Because architecture teaches you a lot, not just architecture, how you deal with people, what kind of people you're going to face, good, bad, how you're supposed to deal with situation, all of it. So a bit growing up part takes to that journey. So I'm pretty thankful. Like it was stressful, it was hectic, but it was good as well because I have so many good people around me. So
5 years of commitment,
yes,
it is.
it takes 5 years of commitment, like very important. And after architecture, I think I'll be doing a bit of field experience in working firms and actually seeing how after architecture, like internship, we have worked, but now we have that the title architect before our name for which we worked 5 years. So now there is more responsibility.
Like when you join an office after being a junior architect, it's what I've heard is it's like a learning. Like first year, you're still so new to the office, and how different academics is from internship. उससे ज़्यादा difference is when you are a junior architect. What do you think about it, Akshita? Looking back, and what are your plans ahead?
Like she said, architecture is not about learning architecture. Like everything involves in it, includes in it. I can say time management, dealing with people,
Yes.
and last minute decision making power.
I think we're good at it.
Yeah, very much. So yeah, last minute decision making power and many other things. And it's not like that. It's not worth. You have learned something.
Yes.
Yeah, you have learned something. You have given your time in that.
Education is never a waste. I
Yeah.
think that a lot of people who comment, is architecture worth it? First of all, you have to think about, can you spend an X amount? Can you spend 5 years? Not everybody can do that, and we respect that point. So if you can't do that, thirdly, it's never a waste. I've never seen a student might not have the best experiences to say all the time, which in life not everybody will have if you have really experienced life. But nobody would say that architecture mein you learned nothing. It's
Exactly.
never that.
It usually it actually makes us you realize like what you want to do in future, like if you want to pursue architecture or not, if you want to go in interior design or not, and then
Graphic
if you want
design,
graphic
or
design,
you want to make laws.
there are so
Yeah.
many things into architecture that you can pursue after.
Yes,
Graduate.
and you're not a failure if you don't end up being
Exactly.
an architect. Just something that I've seen some people
It's completely normal to not pursue architecture after graduating.
Even though many people do engineering for 4
Yes,
years and they
exactly.
switch to other field, and it's very okay, no? That
Exactly.
we are humans. We are not like that. You will be doing that only. You will be doing that only. It's not like that.
Hmm.
And like if someone says this, no, like life is like a chemistry. Exceptions are everywhere. So yeah, exceptions are everywhere. You can do anything.
Our class sizes had decreased tremendously after 1 year. People had backed out, and guess what? They are graduates now.
I
They're
guess
also
10
doing-
people backed out.
and we
after
were
first year
already
only.
like 50, 60 students. So 10 people is like a huge number. And they are also doing great now. They are in their adjacent fields doing great. And in the end, that is what matters. Yes, that brings us to the end of the video. Nice to finally make a video in 2024. I think thesis ki wajah se I could not shoot a proper video, and I was just putting older content. I still have a lot of content to put. It's just not getting enough time to do. So I'll do that for sure. Thank you so much for watching the video until now. I hope you all liked it. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. And we shall see you all in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.